Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Who else is going with Aunt May?
Who's going with you?
Your mum's going to play too.
Oh, what about Dad?
No, he doesn't like volleyball. He's going to watch football on TV with your little cousin.
2. What has Aunt May lost?
What are you going to wear?
Oh, just shorts and a t-shirt.
I always wear a hat when I'm playing. My hair gets in my eyes.
I know. I usually wear one too, but I can't find mine today. I lost it at the beach, I think.
3. What time will the game start?
When are you going to play, Aunt May? After dinner?
Yes, we're going to meet the others at about 8, and we'll start the game at about 1:15.
That's too late for me. I have to be home by 9:30 if I've got school the next day.
But it's Friday today.
Oh yes, no school tomorrow.
4. What has Aunt May forgotten today?
Last week, I forgot to take the ball and my towel.
Why do you take a towel? Do you go swimming too?
No, I always take one because we have a shower after the game.
Oh, so you need to take some soap too.
Oh, I've forgotten that this time. I must remember to put some in my bag.
5. What will Tom do this evening?
So, Tom, will you play volleyball with us this evening?
Well, no thank you, Aunt May. My friends are going to the circus, so I'll go with them.
Okay. Well, I'll see you in the cafe tomorrow then. Have a good time tonight.
You too. Bye.
Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is Sarah's dad going to give her?
Shall I take you in the car?
No, thanks. We'll walk. It's not far.
Well, take your gloves. It's going to snow this evening.
I've already got them. But could you give me some money?
Yes, OK.
2. How many friends is Sarah going to go out with?
Who's going to go with you?
3 of my friends. Betty, Sally and Kim.
Isn't Emma going to go with you? You two are always together.
No, she can't come tonight.
3. What's the film about?
And what's the name of the film?
It's called The Beach Party. But it isn't about beaches or parties.
I don't understand.
Well, it's about a group of famous singers.
4. What will Sarah have for dinner?
Will you have dinner at home? We're going to have fish tonight.
No, I won't have time. Can I take a sandwich with me?
No, buy a burger in town. That will be better.
OK.
5. What's Betty's phone number?
I'll be home at 9 o'clock. Betty's mum is going to bring us home in her car.
All right, not a minute later. What's her telephone number? It's 45665, isn't it?
No, it's 45661.
OK. Well, have a great time. And don't be late. 9, remember?
Now you listen and tick the box. 1. How many suitcases will they take?
Are we going to take all the suitcases?
No, I don't want to take the big green one. It's too heavy. You and I will have one each, and Dad will take 2.
So that's 4.
No, 5. Don't forget your brother's suitcase.
2. What time does the plane leave?
And when does the plane leave? Did you say 12:30?
Oh, you ask so many questions, Paul. No, 1/4 past.
And we have to be there 1 hour before that? At 11:15?
That's right.
3. Where will the family have lunch?
Will they give us some lunch on the plane, Mom?
They don't have lunches on this plane. We'll take some sandwiches and eat them at the airport.
Can't we have lunch at the hotel?
You'll be hungry before that.
4. What must Mum remember to put in her bag?
And have you got the dictionary and all the money we need?
Yes. Everything is ready, Paul.
How about the torch? We might need that at night.